Okay. Given an integer nums, return any array output where output I is the product of. Okay, give me a second. That must be good. Okay. Where output I is the product of the elements some nums except nums. Should be what? Each product is guaranteed to fit a 32-bit integer. Follow up. Could you solve enough over time without using division operator? I should do it in enough over time. It's not binary search. It's not really searching anything. I'm just, what am I even doing? Let me explain. See the question. Product of array except itself. (48). Oh, it's just like an incremental order. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 minus 6. What's going on? Okay. I think I got it. So I'm multiplying all of this. I'm picking out of this one. Put it here. For this one, over here. And for this one, take out this, multiply all of this. I need to do an n of 4 time. Okay. I think let's do it a normal way. For I in nums, I need to forget that, and that's difficult in enough of n times because there's a lot of things going on. So what is going on? What is going on in here? I think so when we just like forgetting that number and multiplying all of them, and so we're multiplying all of them, and we need to make sure we do it in O of n times. So this one, forget that one, shook, forget that one, shook, forget that one, shook, forget that one, shook. So how are we gonna do that? We could use, for let's say this is I, right? So this will be referenced as I, and I goes down. We could just be like multiply I plus 1, I plus 2, I plus 3, I plus 4, dot dot dot. How do we do that programmatically? Multiply all of them. I think we could use a string concatenation, nums so let's just try a string concatenation where nums of it starts from 0 and it ends with -1. That works with the right side to left, but what happens when I do here? So I think it's got to be 0, I, maybe. It's something to do with string concatenation. So let's print actually this. So when we print this, it should be programmatically okay. So we're starting from 0. Why not -6? What the hell? -0. So what is going on here? Oh, I didn't even think of that. How do we do it with the division? We just like multiply all of them and divide it by 2, divided by 1. Okay, yeah, of course, that makes sense. So we get product is equal to how do you find the multiply? I know it's sum of, product of. How do you find product of a list? I mean, is there a inbuilt? Okay, so we have, yes, Python has an inbuilt, okay, prod math. Okay, I need to input. Can I do that in here? Bro. You see, we have this thing going on, and this is n of n time. We just have to divide for I in nums product divided, so divided by, so product divided by nums, no I, and let's put this in a, let's actually append it to output. Beat me, take me, coulda pegged me, pap 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 pap, ta da ta da da da, okay, output dot append. All I wanna say is they don't really care about us. Okay, return output. So this should do it. Is the spelling wrong? Append? How do you append? How to append? I think how to append in Python. Append. Output. Okay. Did it wrong, bro. Couple of days without it, you completely forget it. So. Divided. Okay, what's going on? Append. Of course. I mean output. What else can I mean? You know. Division by 0. What that mean, bro? What that mean without division with 0? If num's not, return. I think that'll do it. Oh, we're doing a division by 0. Why is that division by if? Okay, I just need to if 0. Why is it 6? Why is it 6, Brody? So we have I going over this array, and product could never be 0, right? Okay, product can be 0. So if when the denominator becomes 0, we append. Why is it minus 6? So when our I is 0, yeah, nothing happens. Okay, when I it doesn't matter. When if product is equal to 0, append 0. So what is going on in my code? So if product over here is if it's 0, I'm just appending to the output as 0. Okay, if product is 0, if the product over here is 0, I'm just outputting as 0. Output append product divided by I. What is going on? Okay, let's check this guy. It's gonna take a lot of space though. Maybe. Oh, why did I do that? So prefix. So we have a normal array now. So we're getting a prefix array and a postfix array. So prefix is going to be the number itself. It's going to be incrementing. Postfix is going to be incrementing too, doesn't it? Postfix will increment from left to right. Prefix, which still increment. That's crazy. Oh, I'm sorry. Prefix will be decrementing, of course. So we're just multiplying these two, no? Is that even the optimal solution? Starting to think that's not the optimal solution, but game is game. Game is forever game. Game is undefeated. Brother, don't give me 100%. What is 80%, bro? Why haven't I never done this method? I should have done this method at least once. What is... So this is like a prefix types of array problems, like array solutions. I speak in tongues sometimes, Loki. Look at this. This is like a product of divine intellect. How can you disagree with that? We have range query problems, mathematical array problems, of course, dynamic array. I don't really need it. Bit manipulation, single ditch, XOR. What even is bit manipulation, bro? I think it's a prefix suffix array. Using prefix suffix array. It's a type of let's try doing this. Prefix and suffix. Oh, this is just like a one time thing. What's going on? Longest common prefix. No, prefix and suffix method. I need a patterns. Okay, let's try this. Bro, how is this? It's 2n. It's not really O of n, it's O of 2n. So for I in range, we're getting a prefix, we're getting a suffix, we're just adding on, multiplying all of that. And what is... What? So result is equal to, let's type it out. Oh shit. Please. Alhamdulillah, bro. Alhamdulillah, bro. Please. Oh my god, bro. Alhamdulillah. Please. Okay, result. One. Result is equal to length of strings. What? So 1 multiplied, so result is 7. Let's say it's 7 strings long. This, okay. Why is it 7? 6, 7. Okay. I need to like. Why? I don't get this. Why? Prefix is 1. Okay, because it's like an initiation variable. Is that even a thing? Probably. For I in range of length of nums, okay, result I is equal to prefix. Why again? Why is this equal to prefix? Okay, this is one. Oh, it's like an empty element. Okay. If I go print this, let's it's gonna be 1111. Okay, cool. That makes sense. It's just like instead of it being zeros, just being ones. Fine. So result is equal to, okay, the first element will be prefix, and prefix is getting incremented every single time. That's, bro, that's fucking genius. Is this 100% though? Yeah, that's fucking reversed. Maybe you can use -1, I think. Yeah, reverses, that'll do. You could do -1 over here, I think. That'll work. Let's just, so we have this thing equal to nums of I, of course, and nums of i's keep getting, so this loop is running, and every time the nums want to keep changing, right, it's changing, increment and increment and increment, and this is going, that's how it works. And it's, yeah, it's going this way, it's going over and multiplying. Okay, make sense. Okay, let's try this. It's really tribal when you think about it. I don't think we need this. We could just suffix would be, we didn't need to start on the last section, so fuck, we do need it. We do need it. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of this bitch. Return res. Okay. Did I do it though? Did I do it? Nah. So I'm using a prefix. Is this? I'm pretty sure that should be running a 1D array. Now using prefix. Easier lead code problem, bro. Easier lead code problem for beginners. Oh my god. Okay. Did I actually do it? I don't think I actually did it. I just copied the code. Copied the code. You know what? Let's copy this. Let's go here. Let's go. Do we have lead code? Script projects. Why do I have this tab opened up? What the fuck is going on? People to look in direction. Oh my god. 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 Okay, lead code. Cool. What is this problem? 238. Let's go here. 238. 238. Where is 238? Using the prefix suffix method. In progress, medium, ration hash. Okay, let's look at another one because I'm an alpha male. Okay. Longest consecutive sequence. This one's gonna be, yeah. I'm gonna like, get the fuck out of here. So. Given an array of integer nums, return the length of the longest consecutive sequence of elements that can be formed. A consecutive sequence is an element in which exactly one greater than the previous element. The element do not have to be consecutive in an original array. You must write an algorithm that runs enough for time. The longest consecutive sequence. What? 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. What? Okay, consecutive sequence. It's not really consecutive though. In ascending order, so 0, chick, no, chick, what, 7? Is this all consecutive? How is that consecutive? Given the array of integer, return the length of the longest consecutive sequence element that can be formed. E is an element which is exactly one time greater than the previous. Exactly one. Greater than the previous element. The element do not have to be consecutive in an original array. Exactly one time greater. So 3, 4, 5. It's a consecutive. Why is that 4 though? So 3. Oh, okay, I get it. So 3 in any part of the array, you just have to be consecutive. So it's gonna be 0, 2, no, 0, 3, 5, 6, 1, 1. What? That doesn't even make sense, bro. Can you explain this maybe? Please. We're using a hash. It's a hard problem, bro. You need to check yourself. Hard problem. Mm-hmm. It's like a timeline of dates of history. This shit is like the dinosaurs, and this shit is you. This is Adam and Eve apparently, and this is me. Mm-hmm. Brother, astaghfirullah, bro. Like, how do they even accept these like retarded answers? What about that? I want to see Wait. It's gonna be so funny. Yeah, it's just like it takes like forever to run and whatnot, but it works. It works. It needs to be perfect, bro. Okay, fine. It's 100%. Bro, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. That was pretty wrong. You could just write reverse. You don't have to do all of this bullshit. Just reverse, bro. I'm pretty sure some dude. You're not, because you're an idiot. It's just like it's the method, right? It's the method of a method, and you need to master that. All these guys are fucking idiots. All these guys are idiots, man. Everyone fights the last war. Every single one of them fights the last war, and every war is different. War is forever changing. You can't, you can't really like do that. Give me 100%, please. Thank you. If you don't have 100% on your thing, how can I even like follow you? Okay, we have for I in nums. What is x? Checking the current max increase. Curve is equal to 0. If x not in or okay. I wanna. What is a bitmap? I wanna see what a bitmap is. Bit manipulation. I don't even know what a bit manipulation is. Bit operation. Bit manipulation. Oh, you wrote that book? My god. Thank you. Surprised. Brother. Bro, what is going on? What the fuck is going on? Bit manipulation. Unlock bit manipulation. I don't think like most people came to this bitwise manipulation was. Let's see, bro cook. Whoa, that's like a Freemason number, bro. What you doing? Bro, that's so smart. And women used to work with this. Crazy. I can't really believe it. Fake news, fake history. So what happens when it exceeds? What happens is 1 1 1 1 1. What is 1 1 1 1 1 integer? Bro, it's so limiting. What is 1 1 1 1 1 1 an integer? Hmm. Just keeps going. Hexadecimal. It's just a hexadecimal representation. Bitwise, binary representation on a bitwise operation. Yeah, like it's outdated. Bitwise is outdated though. Is bit manipulation used in... Bro, I literally have everything in here. Duplicate. You go here. Roadmap. Pretty sure C++. Why my nigga C++ at? Pointers, reference memory model, which okay. Secured code base, virtual memory, dynamic memory. Is it code? Bro, how long would it take? PyTorch C++. It's getting out of hand now. Working with libraries, standard. Again, that's the thing. You don't have to like go step by step. You can like skip around steps. Bro, the computer teacher that taught me this died. It was sad. Brother. Brother. DP? What is DP? Graphs. I want to get to graphs, but I need to max out the top layer first. Longest consecutive sequence, product except itself. Let's try this. It's prefix we're using. So we're getting a normal array. It's going to be a result is equal to array of ones because I want that to be 0. Length of nums, of course, and we're using a prefix. It's going to be 1 for I in nums. Range of length of nums. I'm gonna go back and we just need to like append, not really append, it's just modify result of I is equal to prefix because it's going to be iterative and it's going to be 1 now, but on this iteration, the first iteration, we're just gonna make sure it's incremented by the rest of the numbers. So it's going to be incrementing by itself now. So it's going to be nums of I. It's going to be, the I is going to change. It's going to get incremented as we go. And is this right? So result I is also going to get incremented. So yeah, we're just going to have like a array of prefix and let's do suffix. That's postfix, right? Postfix is going to be also 1. This time we're gonna, for I in reverse range of length of nums. Let's go here and it's going to be res of I equal to postfix just multiplying that with this number now. That'll be perfect. So we're multiplying the prefix and the postfix with the result, and that will give us, so this will be incomplete at first. It'll just multiply with the prefix. This will come and fix, which will come and fix and do the rest of the filling work which we need. Okay, this is like understandable. Postfix is equal to nums I and return res. Similar question to this, but fuck, what happened? I did something wrong. Bro, what the fuck? Are you stupid, bro? Bruh. Bruh, bruh, bruh. Are you stupid, bro? Are you stupid, bro? Dun, dun, dun. It is accepted. Bro, is this the wrong one? What is going on? Why is the last two bugging? Why you bugging, bro? What the fuck? Is it the prefix issue? Maybe it's changing. I don't. Bro, literally copied it. Like what the heck? Okay. Okay. Blocked out like a phantom. Phone keeps having a tantrum. Emo party, la party. Bro, literally the same thing. What's going on? Did I not reverse it? I reversed it. What is going on? Postfix, result. They should work. I mean, if I copy this, it's gonna work. If it works, it's Python 3. If it works, then how? What's the difference, bro? It's literally the exact same thing. I think it's a suffix, maybe. Postfix. Bro, what is going on? It's literally the same thing. Did I like put 1 instead of I somewhere? Bro, literally the same thing. What is going on? What's the difference? Oh, import math? Is that the thing? It's because I imported math? No. What is going on? Dun, dun, dun. But it does too. What the hell? Okay, we don't wanna. Obviously, we wanna add on to it. We don't wanna. Yeah, of course. I'm not gonna submit it because I don't understand it.